Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup ramen updated. Start by simmering chicken bones with onion, garlic, ginger, and kombu to build deep flavor. Strain the broth and adjust salt with soy sauce and a little mirin. Shred cooked chicken and cook noodles separately to avoid starch clouding. Finish by combining broth, noodles, chicken, and a drizzle of sesame oil for balance and aroma. In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup ramen updated. Measure ingredients clearly so flavors stay balanced and avoid watering down the broth. Prep aromatics like ginger, garlic, and scallions before you start to streamline cooking. Use soy sauce and mirin for a subtle umami lift and add a dash of sesame oil at the end for aroma. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving to suit your palate. In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup ramen updated. Begin with a gentle simmer to extract collagen and flavor without turning the broth cloudy. After straining, refrigerate briefly if you want to remove excess fat for a clearer finish. Cook noodles to al dente and add them to bowls before pouring hot broth, which preserves texture. Garnish with scallions, a soft egg, and toasted sesame seeds for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.